You've been lied to about cars since the day you got your license. Dealerships, parts stores, even trusted mechanics. They've all sold you the same polished nonsense that slowly empties your wallet and kills your car from the inside out. Today, we're exposing 15 car myths that mechanics secretly laugh at. Because every time someone falls for one, the repair bill hits another $1,000. These are the myths that cause engines to seize, transmissions to fail, and wallets to cry. And myth number 15, it's one your dealership definitely doesn't want you to hear. Let's get started. Myth number 1. You should warm up your car for 10 minutes before driving. Sounds responsible, right? You start the engine, grab your coffee, and wait while the car warms up. Except that's not warming. That's slow death. Idling your car for long periods floods your cylinders with unburned fuel. It washes away the thin layer of oil that protects your pistons and turns your expensive synthetic oil into sludge before you even leave the driveway. Here's what mechanics actually do. Start the car, wait 30 seconds, then drive gently. Your engine warms faster under light load, not by sitting still. That means less fuel wasted, less wear, and a much longer engine life. Because idling doesn't protect your engine. It poisons it. But that's just the first myth. The next one is a scam that gas stations have made billions from. Myth number 2, premium gas makes your car run better. If your car doesn't require premium fuel, using it is like feeding caviar to a goat. It doesn't care. Octane rating doesn't mean quality, it means resistance to knocking. Unless your engine is tuned for it, premium fuel gives you zero performance gain, just a lighter wallet. And here's the kicker. Constantly running higher, octane fuel can actually build carbon deposits faster in engines that don't need it. That's right. Your extra protection could be doing the opposite. Want your car to run better? Spend that extra money on maintenance, not marketing. Myth number 3, synthetic oil lasts forever. Every few months, someone rolls into a shop proudly saying, "I've gone 15,000 miles without an oil change because it's full synthetic." And every time a mechanic quietly sighs, synthetic oil is better, but it still breaks down. It collects contaminants, absorbs moisture, and loses its lubricating properties. Yes, it can last longer than conventional oil, but that doesn't mean forever. The real-world sweet spot? Around 5,000, 7,000 miles. Push it past that, and you're not saving money. You're signing up for new piston rings. Myth number 4, transmission fluid never needs changing. This myth has killed more transmissions than driver error. Manufacturers love to call their fluid lifetime. Translation, it'll last until the warranty expires, not a day more. By 60,000 miles, your fluid is full of metal dust and clutch debris. Ignore it, and you'll eventually feel your gears slip like soap in a shower. Every smart mechanic knows, drain and fill every 60,000 miles. Don't flush if it's old and neglected, just drain and refill. Transmission rebuilds cost $4,000 plus. A fluid change costs less than dinner for two. Myth number 5. Brake fluid lasts forever. Brake fluid doesn't just sit there. It absorbs water every time your brakes heat up and cool down. And water inside brake lines means one thing, rust. Old fluid boils under stress, causing a soft pedal or total brake failure when you need it most. You'll never hear a dealership push this, because flush money comes later when things start breaking. Replace your brake fluid every 2 or 3 years. It's not a scam, it's survival. Myth number 6. Washing the paint keeps the car healthy. Everyone washes their car's body. Few ever wash its bones. Road salt, grime, and winter sludge cling to your undercarriage like acid. That's where your fuel lines, brake lines, and frame live. Rust doesn't start on top. It starts underneath. Rinse your undercarriage at least once a month during winter. Do that, and your car will outlive most leases. Skip it, and your frame could rot out before your tires do. Myth number 7. Tire pressure isn't that important. Underinflated tires aren't just bad for gas mileage. They're silent killers. Every 5 psi below spec means your tires are wearing unevenly, overheating, and killing your suspension. One small gauge check could save you from a blowout on the highway or a $900 suspension repair. Set your pressure to the sticker inside your door, not the sidewall. The sidewall is max load. The sticker is life expectancy. And yes, even brand new cars come with wrong tire pressures from the lot. Myth number 8. The parking brake is only for hills. Nope, it's for every time you park. That tiny metal pawle inside your transmission isn't designed to hold the entire weight of your car. When you rely on P instead of the e-brake, that little part carries thousands of pounds of stress. I've seen parking pawls snap clean off just from years of neglect. The result? Your car rolls away like it has a mind of its own. Always brake first, then park. And now for one of the most expensive myths people never question. Myth number 9. Follow the factory maintenance schedule. Exactly. That glossy little booklet in your glove box isn't written by engineers. It's written by marketing teams. Their goal? Make sure your car survives long enough to get out of warranty, not to last forever. Real-world driving, short trips, stop-and-go traffic, hot weather, destroys oil and fluids faster than their ideal test conditions. If you actually follow their schedule, your engine might barely hit 120,000 miles before problems start. Maintenance schedules are minimums, not targets. Smart drivers treat them like deadlines, not suggestions. Myth number 10. Dealerships know best. Mechanics laugh at this one the hardest. Dealership service writers are salespeople with wrenches behind them. Their job isn't to protect your car. It's to meet quotas. Urgent repairs, critical flushes, safety recommendations, all carefully worded scripts to squeeze a few hundred more out of you before you leave. Independent mechanics don't have quotas, they have reputations. Always get a second opinion. Myth number 11. OEM parts are always better. Not true. In fact, most OEM parts are made by the same companies selling cheaper versions under different labels. For example, NGK makes spark plugs for Honda and sells the same plugs under its own name for half the price. What matters isn't the brand on the box, it's who made it. OEM just means original equipment manufacturer. It doesn't mean best, and it definitely doesn't mean only. Myth number 12. Air filters need changing every oil change. Quick lube shops love this one. They'll hold up a dirty-looking filter and guilt you into replacing it every 3,000 miles. Most modern filters last 15,000 to 30,000 miles. And yes, they'll always look a little dirty. That's how they work. If you can still see light through the filter when held up, it's fine. Don't throw away good parts for showmanship. Myth number 13. The check engine light means panic. Sometimes it's serious. Sometimes it's not. That light is like your body's checkup signal, not an instant emergency. It could be a loose gas cap or it could be a misfire. Either way, a cheap OBD2 scanner can tell you before a shop charges $150 just to diagnose it. If it's blinking, yes, stop immediately. If it's steady, check it soon, not instantly. Knowledge saves panic and money. Myth number 14. Cars don't last past 100,000 miles. This one's pure marketing magic. Cars are engineered to last far longer. It's just not profitable if they do. That's why warranties end around 100K. And that's why you're told to trade in before repairs start stacking up. Properly maintained, modern cars can run 250,000, 400,000 miles easily. Myth number 15. Sell before major repairs hit. This myth destroys value faster than any other. People panic when they hear a rattle or see a dash light and dump the car cheap, usually for a problem that costs less than $200 to fix. That's how flippers make a killing, buying broken cars that just needed maintenance. Don't fall for fear marketing. Fix what's broken, maintain what matters, and your car will outlive its payments. Most car owners don't destroy their vehicles. They're tricked into it. Myths, marketing, and recommended services exist to make you believe you're protecting your car, when in reality, you're paying for its early death. Now you know the truth. Keep your car clean, fluids fresh, and habits smart.